Hello guys, good morning. So it's been 5 years I didn't do my annual checkup. So this is the first time again I'm gonna do it because I'm paying my insurance, but I never use my insurance. So I'm gonna do it, you know, just to be safe for myself. You know, I need to take care of myself. So yeah, you know guys, living in America, you need to learn how to do it alone, how to do it by yourself. I think I'm strong. I'm really stronger now than before. I have a lot of things to do today. And so first thing is like, yeah, my physical checkup. And after that, I'm gonna go to my car appointment. And after that, I do some grocery. And then I do my nails. And then go home. Maybe I do my laundry. And then I cook. And after all that, I have time to rest. So, and then go back to work the next day. So I just got here in my car dealership. So they just gonna clean my interior, but it's really not crazy. It's not really like stained, but I wanna maintain that it's clean and everything. So yes, let's go. Done.